Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm just showing you guys my straight hair routine. I've been doing this for a while. Well, not a while, but I've been doing this the last few times I straighten my hair personally by myself, and hopefully these tips and the way I straighten my hair will help you. But yeah, I'm straightening my hair because my birthday is tomorrow. Let's just go ahead and get started. So first, I'm going to take down my hair. It's freshly washed. I use the blonde first, and this is just a moisture shampoo. And these are new. I just bought them today. The Mane and Tail Herbal Grow. They didn't have the same brand, so I just bought the ones that I seen. And I got the shampoo and the conditioner. These little packets. I've been using this for a while, unless like I have another mask of my own. But yeah. So basically, I just use this mask. And as you can tell, I have color, so I don't want to damage that already, and I just got that done. If you guys haven't seen that vlog, then make sure you guys go check that out. But yeah, I'm just going to split my hair in half, so I'm just going to pin that up like that. So I'm just going to spritz my hair a bit, and I'm going to grab some of that deep conditioner. Yeah, I get the ends first, because they're the weakest part of your hair. And you see how it just automatically moisturizes my hair, like right when I put it in it. So yeah, I love it. And it has a strong scent, so if you guys don't like strong scents, then I suggest you not get it. But this is literally $1 at Walmart, so that's another reason why I got it. Take this big tooth comb, and I'm just gonna detangle through my hair. I'm just gonna twist it, just to section it off. Basically, one packet does just fine for my hair because I have short hair. But if you guys have longer hair than me or thicker hair than me, then I suggest you guys to get 2 packets, because this deep conditioning treatment is bomb, literally. Okay, so it says to sit under a warm dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes, which I'm probably going to do it for about a good 20 minutes just to make sure that my hair is well conditioned. I'm just going to grab my hooded dryer and sit up under it for about 20-ish minutes. Okay, so my hair is freshly shampooed, conditioned, and deep conditioned. I deep conditioned for about 20 minutes, and this is how my hair looks. Yeah, first I use the B.I.D coconut shea oil Sleep Me blowout lotion. That much. Yeah, a small little dime size amount. I just basically put this all over my hair just to keep my hair from any heat damage and stuff like that. Now I use the IC Fantasia hair polisher, and it's a heat protector straightening serum. But this is more for heat protectants and stuff like that, because it's actual serum. So I use about that much for my hair. I just put it all throughout my hair. So now onto blow drying my hair. So first I'm going to split my hair into 4 sections. First, what I like to do is just take my big tooth comb, and I'm just detangling first, just to make it a little bit easier to manage when blow dries. I'm just gonna grab all of my hair. Yeah, I'm using the Yellowbird Kana Pro, and then it's in warm. So first I'm just using the tension method, and I'm just stretching my hair out with my hands first, and then I use my brush. So now that that's finished, I'm just going to take my Denman brush, and you make sure it's clean, guys, because you don't want to use a dirty brush on your freshly washed hair. And I'm just going to basically do the same thing. I switch combs, and I use this one for my second blow dry. And basically what this does is it gets the roots of my hair. So after that's done, I'm just going to Twist it down. And keep that like that and go on to the other section. Okay, so now that I'm finished blow drying, on to flat ironing my hair. Right now it's on 360, but we're gonna turn it up to 400. So we gotta wait till it gets hot. In the meantime, I'm going to just take all my hair. Gonna make a little small section in the back. In the back. I'm just gonna comb out the back. So I'm just gonna wrap my hair. Okay, so I really didn't go into detail on this part because I was trying to concentrate, but I just tap my roots a few times just to get them straight, and I go down my hair about 3 times. I try not to go more than 3 paths because I don't want to try to get, you know, heat damage or whatever. But I do use my comb, well, my rat tail comb, to go down my hair as well, just so I can get every strand of that section. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna speed up this process a little bit. I don't need to trim it because I just got a trim when I was at the hair salon, and I'll put that in the link up above, wherever it's at. I'm just gonna bump my ends. Okay, so now that I'm finished bumping my ends, I'm just going to wrap my hair because I'm about to go to bed. And basically, wrapping your hair is the best thing you can do when your hair is straight, because it just sets your hair overnight and it keeps it from being messed up in the morning. But as you can tell, I'm not the best hair wrapper in the world because I don't wear my hair straight every day. But yeah, I did it better when it was off camera, but this is just the best you're going to get. But yeah, I'm just wrapping my hair up with 3 scarves because I do sleep really heavy and I don't want my hair to mess up overnight. And yeah, this is just the end of the day, and I'm just going to show you guys my hair for the next day. Okay guys, so this is the next day and this is what my hair looks like. I bumped it last night, but I just want to do some more a little bit today, and I just bumped it. And this is what my hair looks like for my birthday today. I'll probably put some Snapchats right next here, somewhere in this video, to show you guys how I was looking. If you guys want to see a revert from straight hair to curly hair, then comment down below. I've already did a video on that, so I'll put that in the card up above. But yeah, I'll do an updated version for you guys. And if you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if you want to see more straight hairstyles from me. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and click the bell so you'll be notified when I post more videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck.